Hello everyone, this is Crystal and welcome to my channel where I share card making techniques, sweet paper crafts, and now inspiring food ideas. Today I will be showing you how I made this relaxing beach card. This project is for the August 2019 Creative Home with G Color Combo Card Challenge. Our colors this month are teal, orange, and purple. So stay tuned as I show you how I made this relaxing beach card. Oh, and if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please click the subscribe bell and then click the little bell to make sure that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. For this project, I used my Distressed Oxide inks. They just seem to glide on the paper better, and they just blend together so much better and easier than my other inks. So I used frayed burlap for the beach, and I used evergreen bough for the water, and then dusty concord for the sky, and then wild honey and mustard seed for the sun. And what I'm trying to create here is a sunrise. Most people always talk about sunsets on the beach, but what I find really relaxing is to be on the beach and wait for the sunrise to come up. And when I have a real stressful week, that's what I'd like to do. I like to be at the beach and watch the sun come up. But, I live here in Ohio and there's really no beach to go to. But, it's my pipe dream, so I'm just trying to create it here on canvas. Well, not really canvas, but the card. So I'm just laying down some inks and around, and then I'll go back over it again with different ones to kind of blend it. And I didn't realize I was so far down out of range for you to see. But I think I put some more purple on it. Yeah, I did, because I wanted more of a sunrise, and that was too much sky or the yellow coming through. So the purple was supposed to be the dark sky of the night, with the sun kind of peeking through a little bit. And I just went through and blended colors back and forth a little bit to get it to match. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And so I pretty much decided that I think I'm through and I'm ready to start stamping. And now I placed my card front in my MISTI because I want to stamp on it, and I'm not sure if it'll take a good stamp the first time. And I'm using my black tuxedo ink, and I'm stamping this image that I have of this lady sitting on the beach. And like I said, I'm sorry I'm down out of the camera range like I am. And actually, I stamped it once, and it came out really, really good. I was surprised. I usually have to do it a couple times. And now what I'm doing, I just thought I would try it. I'm taking my alcohol markers, and I'm kind of coloring in on top. And so I colored her hair like a brown, and I'll add more color later, as you see. But right now, I'm getting ready to stamp a palm tree on the side. I'm trying to get my palm tree up and looking to see if it fits. And I'll be stamping that in black as well. And now I'm coloring in the palm tree with some green for the palm leaves. And I'm really kind of surprised, that the color actually came through, even over on the purple, that the green actually showed up. I guess that's why, you use these Distressed Oxide inks. And I just kind of I'm turning this because I don't want to lay my hand on the card because I feel like the background's still a little wet and I didn't want to smear the ink all over the place. So, anyway, I'll do those and then I'll come back to the lady. And here I'm coloring her bag in a blue color. I think it's like a Bermuda blue. Trying to give it some color to it. And I colored her beach towel orange. You can't really tell it too much because of the dark background, but that's all right. It's sunrise. It's supposed to be still dark and there isn't that much sun, so I'm happy with it the way it turned out. And now I'm taking one of my stamps that says relax, and I'm trying to figure out where I want to put it. I decided I wanted to put it over her bag, and I stamped it in the VersaFine Black Onyx ink too. And here's my card all finished. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And please share me on all your social networks. And don't forget to post your creation using these colors on Create at Home with G at facebook.com. So you'll be entered into a drawing for a goodie bag. So bye for now. Happy crafting!